Hi, welcome to Kyong's kitchen. Thank you for watching. Today I'm going to share delicious and healthy vegan chicken-like salad. Okay, let's go and start. First, you will need TOFU MIRACLE WHIP. So I'm going to show you how to make homemade MIRACLE WHIP. First, you will need a Mori-Nu silken tofu foam. This is I'm using it. You will need one package, put it in the blender. A tofu is very high in protein, antioxidant, calcium and potassium and iron. Such a good for your heart. Next, you will need 2 tablespoons soy milk powder, 2 tablespoons lemon juice. Lemon juice is body cleanser, blood cleanser, clean your kidney and liver. Next, you will need a half teaspoon onion, 1 teaspoon sea salt or Himalaya pink salt, 2 tablespoons any vegetable oil, and 1/4 teaspoon garlic. Then Miracle Whip, kind of a sweet and sour, so we are adding 2 tablespoons Turbinado sugar. Blend it until creamy. Okay, let's go and start. Okay, looks like a creamy. This is really delicious. Okay, now we're gonna make some chicken salad with soy curd. You will need 2 cups soy curd. Still, a lot of people doesn't know what is soy curd. The soy curd looks like this. It's made with 100% non-GMO soybean. It's very hard and dry. So you will need to put 1 1/4 cup boiling water. If you have time, you can boil them for about 1 minute to make it soft. And soy curd made from the soybean, therefore very high in antioxidant, also high in protein and calcium, ions and fibers. And it's such a good for your brain function, and you're good for your heart, prevent cancer. So let it set for 5 to 10 minutes. Okay, so 10 minutes pass. So I already prepared for you. Once you soak it for 5-10 minutes, look at there, how tender it is. And you need to dice them or chop them. And you need a mixing bowl. So you need to put it all in here. Next you will need, let me see, I need my instruction. Next one you will need 1 stalk celery dice. Celery is very high in fiber, also very high in calcium, so wonderful for your bone system. And next, you will need a half medium-sized onion dice. The onion also very high in antioxidant, which is fighting for cancer or kill the cancer cell, build the immunity also. Next, you will need 2 onion chopped. And a half teaspoon salt and 1 tablespoon nutritional yeast flake. Next, what I'm going to do, so I'll show you how to make a miracle whip. I need 1 cup from here. So I got a 1 cup size here. See if you can. Maybe I will just take it out like that. Yeah. This Miracle Whip usually make about 1.5 cup. So you don't really need it all. But I'm gonna take a little more out. Okay. And then put it here and mix it all together. It makes a wonderful sandwich filling. Or if you don't want to have a bread, you can make a salad and put it on the top. This is really delicious. And also makes a wonderful party food for birthday, anniversary, Christmas. It's coming, you know. Or Thanksgiving. Okay? Simple, very simple. All you need to do is have some ingredients ready, and then eating healthy food is so easy and simple and delicious. Praise God, a long time ago, I would say long time ago, God inspired me this recipe. So I'm going to have this bread here, make some sandwich for you. I like to have a fat sandwich. How about you? So I just fill as much you can contain. And then close it. Just cut it in fourth. There. See, push it here like that. Looks really good. So if you like to have the written recipe, click the show more below the video, and I will share this close-up photo in the end of the cooking show. So thank you for watching. See you until next program. May God richly bless you.